Hi, this is Alex. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily sign or collect e-signatures with Formable. I'll start off by walking you through the basics of using this powerful software tool, and towards the end of the video, I'll cover some of the more advanced features as well. To start off, I'm going to head over to formabledocs.com and I'm going to create an account. I'll leave a link to the website down below in the comment section. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to proceed to signing in. After creating an account, you'll be greeted by this document dashboard. Now we're going to click on the upload button and upload either a docx document or a PDF document to get started. Great, the document upload has completed. We're now in the Formable form editor. This is where most of the work will happen. On the left side is a toolbar. Each tool in the toolbar will put you in a different mode. The tool that we'll be using the most is a tool called Create and Edit Fields. It will allow us to drag and draw fields. On the right side, we have a sidebar that is a field selector, and it contains a curated list of commonly used fields, so you don't have to create your own from scratch. In our particular document here, we'll need a signature field, a name field, and a title field. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop those individual fields over. Great. And so just like that, we already have a form that can be collected and e-signed. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to the Share Document button to share this document with the signer. After entering in their email, all we have to go and do is send the document out to be collected. If I go back to the Document tab, we can see that our envelope has been sent out to be signed. Okay, so now I'm in the inbox of the person that we sent the document to, and I'll be opening up the link from their email, and we'll be going through the signing flow together just to see how it looks like from the other party. So I'll make my way down to the place where I had my fields, and I will begin the signing flow. So I can go ahead and create our e-signature and enter in the value into the fields that we had. And when I'm satisfied with how that looks like, I can go ahead and continue, give one last review of the document, and finish the signing. So once that's been completed, I'm going to go back to the document dashboard from earlier, and I'm going to take a look at the envelopes sent section, where I will see the completed document from just now. And if we go into that completed document, we can see that it's been filled out, and also we'll be able to see that there is an electronic signature with a secure cryptographic stamp of it being completed. In addition to all that, after you've successfully received a signature, you'll also get an email with a PDF copy, and the signer will also get a PDF copy of their own signature as well. We just went over the basics of uploading a document, preparing a document for signing, as well as a sneak peek of how signing looks like as the other party. I now wanted to show you some of the more advanced features and capabilities that Formable has to offer. The first thing that Formable can do is you can go ahead and create signature fields for multiple different parties. So in a real-world use case, you might have multiple people that need to sign off on a document. So I'm going to go ahead and create a second set of signature fields for that second person. Okay, so we created a second set of fields, and I can go into the Manage Recipients tool and go ahead and create another set of parties. So these are the two different people that are going to be signing this document, and we can assign an email and a name to them. And finally, we can go into the fields and assign each and every one of the recipients. So this allows only the people who have the field assigned to them, like I have from earlier, to fill out that specific field. So Alex number 2 can only fill out this one, and Alex number 1 can fill out this field only. So that's the first feature, is multi-party documents. The second feature I want to show you is a pretty useful one. When you have a particular field that we dragged and dropped from the field selector, sometimes we want to modify its logic. We can modify, for example, if it's required or not. We can turn title from required into a not required field. But more than just that, we can also change the behavior of the title field. For example, I can say only accept CEO or CTO titles. And I can go ahead and use the AI to generate a rule that only accepts CEO or CTO titles. So if I go into the filling mode and I try to fill out this title with, say, a CMO, that won't work because it only accepts CEO and CTO titles as we defined earlier. So if I type in CEO, that works. If I type in CTO, that works as well. We also have a tool that allows you to summarize and generate content within your document. So if I am the one that is signing a document and I'm using Formable to sign and fill out that document, I can go into the Analyze feature and ask it to summarize certain areas of the contract. So this uses our AI system, and it allows you to quickly understand the contract that you're signing, and in other cases, to also generate content yourself. Finally, there is also a few different sharing options that are available to you when you send out your document for signing. There's a tab up here that allows you to change the mode of the signature that you want to collect. An example of this is allow revisions. You can send out a document and allow the recipient of that document to suggest changes into your contract, and only if you accept those changes can they go ahead then and sign the negotiated contract. And there's a couple of other modes as well, but I won't go into detail with those in this video. And finally, there's also a share by link feature, and you can also add a password for added protection. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. There's a few other features I haven't covered, but as you can see, that wasn't quite hard, and give it a try at getformable.com.